Well, I think it started with the values and personalities of the founders, especially Steve Wozniak, but also Steve Jobs. The Apple II was not, which was really the first big product for Apple. That's a photo taken by...
That's your book.
Yeah, that's the cover of my book, actually, based on a photo taken by a fellow named Norman Seeff. That's the Mac software team. At General Magic, we pioneered a product category called Personal Intelligent Communicators. Well, I think we're in a period of really a revolutionary change in user interfaces. I think computers are enhancing the life of the mind, really. There are cars that have been driving right around here, Palo Alto, Mountain View, and Highway 101, that completely drive themselves.
Well, the story's shaping up here visually as well. We've got the genius beginnings of Apple, and then moving into the present, a Mobius strip for the next revolution. And nicely, your Google Maps timeline also provides a path for the car. So we're really actually showing this progress, as you said, started back in the 90s, and with something similar and moving.
Telepresence is a great example that evolves on the human-computer interaction to go to more a human-to-human interaction using the technology as the means to facilitate that interaction.
Well, I know how we tried, the millions of tears that we cried. Make no mistake, it's our future we're making. Bake the cake, I need it too.
Cisco Telepresence, bringing people and countries a little closer. That's the human network effect.
You know, anything that has the capacity to put groups of people together for a particular purpose, being training or just a business conversation or some type of interaction will have, you know, use of telepresence. The system allows you to connect up to 48 different camera streams or video streams. So you could have, in principle, 48 people, 48 groups participating from 48 cities in 48 countries in a one single telepresence session.
What have you got?
Well, I told you how the story began here, which was with the Apple II and that group, which we have the pyramid here. So you have the story, the human story there. It's really important. And what you've come to here later on, talking about all the many innovations, is now we have a global communication capacity where people all over the world in their homes eventually would be able to talk with one another. So what you were saying about technology disappearing, and what we have are all these capabilities now that you don't even have to see the machine anymore. So that's the story.